Hi, my name is Nina Chernoff. I'm now an associate professor at the City University of New York School of Law, and I was at Juvenile Law Center as a Zubrow Fellow from 2003 to 2005. Juvenile Law Center is actually the primary reason that I went to law school in the first place, because I was working in Philly at a policy organization that focused on at-risk youth. And so not surprisingly, I learned a lot about JLC, and Bob actually came and did a presentation for us. And after that presentation was over, I said, I want to work with that person. I was so impressed by him. I was so impressed by the work that JLC was doing. And so I went to law school, and then JLC was the only job I applied for when I graduated. So I'm very, very glad I got it, because I don't know what I was going to do. That was my plan the whole time. And it turned out to be as fantastic of a place as I thought it would be. One of the nice things about having worked at Juvenile Law Center that I didn't think about when I was there is that every place afterwards that I went to, they held Juvenile Law Center in high esteem. So I felt like my introductions to new legal organizations and new lawyers were always eased by, oh, you worked at Juvenile Law Center, oh, you know Bob and Marcia and Lourdes and everybody. And I've just loved, like, throughout my career. I was just reading a book last night, and it mentioned Bob Schwartz and some work on juvenile brain development, and I just feel like every place that I've worked at since, people know and respect Juvenile Law Center. And I was always amazed, even more amazed in retrospect, at how Bob and Marcia and everyone at Juvenile Law Center was able to work so cooperatively with people that other lawyers might have characterized as enemies or opponents. And I think that's because they really keep their eye on the prize. They want the best thing for youth. And if someone else gets the credit, or someone else achieves it in a way that they weren't thinking of, or if they're just a behind-the-scenes player, that's fine with them. Happy 40th anniversary, Juvenile Law Center. I hope that the future is as filled with positive, powerful change as the last 40 years have been. And I also hope that you hire my law students, because now that I'm a law professor, I tell all of them the best place you could start your career is Juvenile Law Center. You'll learn to be a good lawyer, you'll be inspired by the people that you work with, and you'll be part of this community for the rest of your life.